I've been using the Huawei Watch GT6 for about 3 months na. So, it's about time for me to review this. Ang dami na akong backlogs na videos. So, this is not the Pro model, just the GT6. Medyo malikabok na. And this is the box. So, in-unbox ko siya last time. I have a video for that if you wanna watch that. Change ko lang yung view ng camera para mas nakafocus tayo sa watch. Let's start first with the build quality. Frame ng body ng watch is made out of stainless steel. Color ng black niya is parang smoky or dark gray. And the design, yung bezel, parang medyo hexagonal shapes. Some tech reviewers don't like this. Personal preference, for me, I like it. Kasi even though medyo hexagonal shape siya, it still maintains that classic circle design ng the classic watch, right? So, okay pa rin sa akin siya. It just gives it a more modern design, I feel. Tapos, ito yung crown niya. This is your workout button. There are 2 speakers. And, mind you, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, very good speakers for a smartwatch. Malinaw, malakas, small hole right there. That is the microphone. And, from feedback from my friends, sobrang linaw daw niya. Ito yung itsura ng sensor niya sa likod. Yung aking watch face, gumagalaw. So may moving graphics right here. This is not free, by the way. Binili ko siya sa store. This is not gonna be your typical review. This is the app, Huawei Health. We'll just go to devices. So this is my Huawei watch, 76%. Click more. Tapos, sobrang dami niyang free. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo yung mga kakaibang watch face like mine, you just go to VIP or search. Makikita nyo, the price range of the watch faces vary. So, may 19.90 pesos, so 20 pesos. Okay? Okay lang naman kung talagang trip na trip nyo yung watch face na yon, I suggest you go ahead and buy it kasi this is your personal watch, di ba? Mine as well. And so on and so forth. Marami, sobrang dami. Mahihilo ka na sa sobrang daming watch face. Sa mga gamers out there, you know what this is. The Fallout game, parang merong dalang Pip-Boy but instead of a Pip-Boy, it's a watch. Lithium, aluminum, silicon glass or reinforced glass. So, sobrang tibay niya. And the difference lang with this and the Pro, yung Pro version nito, is that yung kanyang glass, it's sapphire. Mas scratch resistant siya. So this is a 1.47-inch AMOLED color screen display. Etong version ko is the 46mm, more for men's. Ito ang itsura niya with a small wrist because I have a small wrist. So medyo malaki lang siya ng konti sa akin. But for me, it's fine. It's not overly big. Pwede na. And ang weight niya is 51.3 grams na walang strap. Actually, after a while, hindi nyo na siya mapapansin. Parang extension na siya ng wrist nyo eh. Hindi na talaga siya pampabigat sa wrist or anything like that. Maganda rin yung materials nung kanyang band. High quality band that they use here. Hindi siya yung katulad nung ibang wristbands na parang pag pinawisan ka sobrang lakid, sobrang init. And if you want to see the other face watch, just hold it. And check natin yung iba. Makikita nyo nga actually nakalagay yung power level. So, power level 1, syempre yung pinaka mas tipid sa battery. And pataas, mas malakas sa battery. So, what I have right now is actually power level 2. So, medyo magastos ako sa battery. And you can also put pictures. Ang gusto ko dito talaga sobrang customizable. I did put one picture here. Ito. Shaq and Kobe. Tapos pwede mong i-customize kung saan mo ilalagay yung time, yung date, and so on and so forth. Very customizable. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. When it comes to brightness, 3,000 nits. Guys, sobra-sobra na yung 3,000 nits. Tried and tested ko na sobrang tirik ng araw. Makikita nyo pa rin naman yung watch face. Masasabi ko lang sa inyo, medyo na-spoiled ako dito sa watch na to. Kasi sobrang tagal ng 21-day battery life. For me, an average ko is nasa 11 to 14 days per charge. And mind you, yung settings na ginagamit ko dito, naka-always on display. Nakita nyo yan, pag namatay siya, meron pa ring display. Naka-soft vibrate, tapos parati siyang naka-connected sa phone, meaning parating naka-connected ang Bluetooth niya, hindi pinapatay. Ang volume lang ang nakapatay, tapos yung brightness ko is around 60 to 70%. It's not actually typical use, medyo heavy use kasi ginagamit ko din siya for stuff like calculator. Honestly speaking, yung calculator niya very useful. Kala nyo lang maliit or mahirap pindutin, pero sobrang buttery smooth ng touchscreen nito na kahit maliit siya, responsive kagad. Kita nyo naman, ayan o. Di ba? Sobrang responsive niya, guys. Kung may nag-message sa'yo, you can actually reply to them using emoticons and QWERTY keyboard na maliit. So, pwede kong piliin tong yan. Pwede kong piliin yung emoticons. And from here, pwede akong mag-reply ng mabilis na emoticon. Pwede kong piliin yung QWERTY keyboard. And ayan ang itsura niya. And I can reply from here as well. And very responsive pa rin siya. So, naninibago rin ako sa sobrang ganda nito. For the price, wala akong masasabi. It feels super premium for the price. And by the way, ang price niya, 13,999 was the original price na naging 10,999 pesos na madidiscountan nyo ng 1,500 pesos using the Shopee voucher. So, naging 9,499 pesos na lang siya. Ang kagandahan pa doon is you can spread this out in 12 months. 0% interest. If you go to the physical store, pumapayag sila ng 24 months, 0% interest. So that's lumalabas na parang 300 plus pesos na lang siya for 2 years. Ngayon, ang difference lang is, pag kinuha nyo sa Shopee, dahil nga sa voucher, ito kasi is freebie. Yung Huawei FreeBuds SE2. Freebie siya kahit sa physical store. Ang problema lang is, i-discount nila as 1,500. Versus dun sa Shopee, na voucher lang ang gagamitin for the 1,500. So, kung sa physical store, I won't be able to keep this. Pero sa Shopee, dahil sa Shopee ko siya pinurchase, I still get the freebie. Which is, ito yung next video ko, so watch out for that. Buksan na rin natin to dahil 3 months na tong naka-sealed. Sasabihin ko lang sa inyo, wala ako nung Apple Watch, wala ako nung Galaxy Watch. So, I just right now don't know the difference kung worth it ba yun. Ito lang masasabi ko. This is super competitive watch. Smartwatch for its price point. Okay, when it comes to charging naman, kasama sa box yung charging pack niya. Ito guys, yung charging pack niya, sobrang strong niya actually. And nakakabit lang siya sa PC ko. So yan, nagsa-charge na siya. And makikita nyo sobrang dikit niya. Okay, so even if I hold this dito, hindi basta-basta mahuhulog yung watch. Sobrang lakas ng magnet, plus nakakabit lang sa PC ko. So yung USB niya, USB-A, 1.5 hours, fully charged na siya. Totoo yun. Sobrang daming sensors, guys. So, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa video. I'm not going to explain all of them. Ang water resistance niya is 5 ATM and IP69 rating. Yung IP69 rating is yung pinakamataas na rating, right? So, talagang dust-proof and water-resistant. Okay? Hindi siya waterproof. Okay? So, pag iniwan nyo to sa like salt water or anything, pwede pa rin mag-corrode to. And, syempre, masira yung mga seals, etc., etc. And, ang maganda dito is, pag pinag-swimming nyo siya, pwede nyo i-drain yung water na if ever may pumasok sa loob. Here, swipe down, and you will see here, yung option na to nakalagay drain. Tapos may frequency na tutunog. Yung frequency na yon, ilalabas niya yung tubig. I think it's gonna come out of the speakers and the mic. From what I see, very durable. Wala pa nga ako nakikitang visible scratches or dents. Kahit ilang beses ko na itong tumama sa pintuan, sa mga office table, the usual. Connectivity, Bluetooth. Like I said, parati itong nakakonect sa akin via Bluetooth. Compatibility-wise naman, Android 9 or higher or iOS 13 or higher. When you press this, yan yung mga workout modes lalabas. Sobrang daming options. There's basketball, indoor walk. And ang maganda pa dito, hindi ko na nga in-add kasi hindi ko naman ginagamit yung iba. Yan, pool swim. Sobrang dami. Skiing, snowboarding. Oh my God. This is actually customizable. So ako, pinili ko kasing workout na mauuna sa akin is the outdoor walk. Ito kasi parati yung ginagawa ko. So if you are not doing that, you are doing the indoor walk, you just click the 2 buttons here. May 2 dots there. And then, punta ka lang sa pin to top. Ayan o. Pin to top. And then, it will automatically go sa pinaka taas. And if you go back, yan na. Indoor walk na. So, sobrang customizable siya. Or, you can just unpin nyo na lang kung gusto nyo balik sa dati. Yan. Okay? So, for me, it's outdoor walk. Yung volume pa nga hindi naka-full eh. Try natin i-full. Okay, play natin ulit.
Workout resumed.
You heard that?
Workout paused.
End workout na natin.
Workout ended.
So, medyo malakas talaga siya. In-on ko lang yung Spotify dito sa phone ko. I-play mo muna yung music sa Spotify. For example. Okay? Yan. And then, after mo siya ma-play, just swipe right and then go sa pinaka baba. And then, eto na yung controls. Okay? Just remember, you have to play it first sa phone and then, lalabas na siya sa smartwatch mo. Sa GT6. So, ayan siya. And I'll just play. Ayan na. Nag-play na siya. Okay? Oh, baka makapiright tayo. Maganda dito, you can shuffle pa if you want. You can use the volume up and down. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo? Use the crown for the volume. You can skip music. Ayan, you can shuffle. Ngayon, yung GPS niya is using a very high-tech type of GPS. Ang tawag nila is GNSS. So, this is the sunflower positioning system nila. And in layman's terms is marami siyang satellites na gumagana sabay-sabay. So, very accurate and very fast ang pagbigay sa iyo ng GPS, ng location mo. Sobrang ganda, sobrang premium feel. Plus, I didn't have to spend around 20, 30, 40, or even 50,000 pesos. I'm very satisfied with this. So, when you click this, malamang alam nyo na to guys kasi di ba syempre meron din yung Apple nito, meron din yung Samsung nito, but very responsive, no problems here. You can track your sleep, blood oxygen, and all the other good stuff. Ang dami-dami. Favorite mo yung music na yan, just hold it and then drag it on top. Okay? And then, nasa sayo na kung saan mo gusto ilagay. Okay? Ako kasi talaga, yung calculator ang madalas kong ginagamit. Meron pala siyang haptics. So, yung haptics is, pag iniikot mo yung crown, nafe-feel mo yung vibrate. Okay? Some people do like the haptics. For me, hindi ko masyado trip yung haptics eh. Ewan ko. But, for other people who want to feel the haptics, ita-turn on nyo lang yan at mako-customize nyo pa yon. Pwede nyo pang i-turn on kung gaano kalakas yung vibration. Okay? So, sobrang dami guys ang pwede nating gawin. I've been loving every second using this. And isa pang maganda dito, it tracks kung gaano ka kasipag or gaano ka katamad mag-workout. Okay? Just going to the app itself, exercise records. Just click that. Makikita nyo na from the date, March 2026, Feb. Yan, makikita nyo na yung mga exercise records. Oh, before I forget, hindi ko kasi ginagamit, meron siyang NFC. So, pwede kayo magbayad, for example, GCash ang gamitin nyo using your watch. So, QR code. So, what is my final verdict for this watch? For using it for 3 months, the price I'm paying for it, the freebies that I got for it, I don't know. It's just really sobrang hard to complain right now. Hindi ko lang siya ma-compare pa sa ibang watches. But so far, this is the best bang for buck na watch na ever na nabili ko. Kasama yung mga hindi smartwatches. Ito talaga yung parang sa ngayon sobrang sulit. Sana tumagal yung battery. And I don't know yet din kung hanggang ilang Android OS ang masosupport niya. But for now, this is a 10 out of 10 for me, guys. Now, if you guys are planning to purchase this watch, meron link dito sa video. You can click that link. That is the official Huawei Shopee store. So, if you click that and if you buy it from here, the channel will get a small commission and the channel will be greatly in debt to you. Okay? Para makatulong naman sa channel ko to grow the channel more and so I can do more reviews for you guys. Okay, so please support. Highly recommend this watch for you guys. Sobrang matutuwa kayo. You won't be disappointed. Okay, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned. I want to be unboxing this next.